Hey, Chapel Hill Comprehensive Study Club, this is Rob Zabersky, and you're getting this video because I literally just ran into Dr. Hill. I'm out here in Palm Springs at Symposium. It's amazing. And he reminded me that I'm coming out to see you guys. So on March 8th, I'm going to be coming out to deliver a lecture called Discovering Your Memory Power. And I'm telling you, this is going to be unlike any other lecture, any other study club meeting you've ever attended. So what we're going to be talking about, we're going to help you learn and understand how to train and use your memory the way it's designed to be used. So what that means is if you've ever been the person that met someone for the very first time, you know the scenario I'm talking about. You get their name, you shake their hand, and then as soon as the handshake breaks, that name vanishes. How does that happen? We're going to help you guys understand how and why that happens. Most importantly, I'm going to give you a bunch of tips to help make sure that never happens again. We're also going to teach you how to remember things like numbers and lists and patient details, presentation skills, whatever it is you want to be better at remembering. We're going to teach you methodology on how to do that. The best part, I have the privilege of traveling all over the country delivering this lecture to study clubs like yours. This is going to be an absolute blast. I'll guarantee we'll do at least as much laughing as we do learning. So listen, if you've got questions for me on the program or just feel like connecting with me, all my contact information is going to be at the end of this video. Otherwise, I cannot wait to meet you all on March 8th. Make it a great rest of your day.